Managing IT assets can quickly become overwhelming. Devices move between employees, software licenses expire, and sometimes critical assets just disappear. Maybe at first, this isn't a big deal, especially in a small company. But as a business grows, things get complicated. That's why asset tracking is a fundamental part of any well-planned IT asset management strategy. It helps organizations know what they own, where it is, and how it's being used. Simply put, asset tracking is the process of monitoring and managing an organization's physical and digital assets throughout their life cycle. This includes hardware, software, vehicles, equipment, everything a company owns and relies on. There are two main ways to track assets: manual methods or automated systems. Small businesses may use spreadsheets, but as the number of assets grows, this becomes inefficient. Automated tracking, on the other hand, provides real-time visibility, reduces human error, and ensures accuracy. A common question is, what's the difference between asset tracking and equipment tracking? While both focus on keeping track of business resources, asset tracking is a broader practice, covering everything from IT hardware to office furniture and vehicles. Equipment tracking, on the other hand, focuses on tools and machinery, often emphasizing maintenance and availability. Now that we understand what asset tracking is, let's go through the step-by-step process to implement it effectively. Step 1. Assess your current needs. Before investing in an asset tracking system, take a step back. What's working? What's not? Is a manual approach still enough, or is automation necessary? Answering these questions will help define the scope of your tracking needs. Step 2. Choose the right asset tracking software. Many companies start with spreadsheets, but as operations grow, an automated tracking solution becomes essential. The right software improves accuracy, streamlines processes, and enhances reporting capabilities. Step 3. Build a comprehensive asset management database. If you don't already have an asset inventory, now is the time to create one. A structured asset management database, AMDB, keeps all asset records organized and accessible. Step 4. Select the right tracking technologies. The features you need will depend on the assets you're tracking. For IT assets, automated discovery tools and centralized databases work best. For non-IT assets, barcodes, QR codes, and GPS tracking may be more effective. Step 5. Maintain accurate asset records. An asset tracking system is only as good as the data in it. Every asset should have key details recorded, such as serial number, assigned user, location, maintenance status, and warranty information. Step 6. Establish tracking and maintenance workflows. To keep asset tracking consistent, define clear workflows for assigning and transferring assets, logging updates, scheduling maintenance, and decommissioning outdated assets. Step 7. Conduct regular audits. Even with an automated system, regular physical and digital audits are necessary to prevent discrepancies, reduce asset losses, and ensure compliance. Step 8. Analyze data to optimize asset usage. Tracking assets isn't just about logging what you own, it's about using data to make better decisions. Reports on usage patterns, maintenance needs, and asset performance help businesses optimize their investments. Step 9. Train employees on best practices. Even the best tracking system will fail if employees don't use it properly. Training should cover how to log and update asset records, maintain data accuracy, and report missing or damaged assets. Step 10. Continuously improve your asset tracking strategy. Business needs evolve, and so should your tracking strategy. Regularly review and refine your processes to incorporate new technologies and improve efficiency. Beyond financial savings, asset tracking improves security, enhances visibility, and helps businesses make smarter data-driven decisions. Whether you're tracking IT hardware, office equipment, or vehicles, a structured tracking system provides real-time insights and ensures that resources are used effectively. To sum up, asset tracking is about gaining control, optimizing costs, and preventing losses. As companies grow, manual tracking methods become inefficient, leading to wasted time and compliance risks. That's why organizations are investing in modern asset tracking solutions to streamline operations and make smarter financial decisions. Do you have any thoughts on this topic you'd like to share? Leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and follow our channel for more insights into the world of asset and service management.